So friends, this is Blazing Cuber here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is gonna be a challenge video. So in this video, I will be attempting to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using only double layered turns. I mean, by double layer I mean 180 degree turns. But this is a 180 degree turn. Only U2s, R2s, F2s. So it is gonna be challenging. So let's get into the video right away. Let me go ahead and scramble the cube. So how to understand if you have scrambled it right? So after scrambling, all the colors should be opposite. I mean the colors should be opposite to the center of the other. So to the opposite center. So I think it's scrambled enough. So let's start the solve. So I am not setting any time here. I'm just doing it. So let's get into the video right away. So let me start. So first I need this red cross over here. So U2 and red and that over here. Very good. U2 and here. Okay, I need this one here. Okay, so I need this pair over here. So what I can do here is U2 and U2. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. So now I need this piece over here. Now what I can do is I can just interchange. So there is now this cross and this edge piece and this corner piece. This corner edge piece to go here. So what I can do is the edge swapping algorithm. So let's swap this edge, and what I can do now is okay, very good. Okay. Okay, there's now this H pump kind of thing. So let me just figure out something. So what I can do here, okay, it is a F2. I mean this is a H pump. So let me just think a bit. So after trying out a bit, I couldn't find a solution to the H pump, so I just thought to break it up. So I thought to again scramble it up and try it again. It's scrambled enough, so I will do it on the red side. Okay, this is a very good one, I think. It's not a very good one, but still it kind of works. So that is what matters at the end. Okay, that corner, that pair. Now in this pair, so I can do this one. Two corner swapped. What is this? Is this even possible? What kind of? Isn't this? Oh my god, I don't think. Okay. I'm still again left with the F perm only. H perm. So guys, I'm just going up for a bit. I will try to figure out an algorithm for this H perm using just double turns. So friends, just 8 minutes are gone and I'm still trying to figure out, but I think I found something, so let me try it. So don't ask me how I found it. I just played with the cube until I found this did it. So it goes like this. So first I do a F2 and then a U2. What was then after that? I think another F2, U2, F2, L2, F2, U2, L2, U2, F2, L2. Yes, done. Yes, I did it. Yes, successful. I'm a successful guy. Yes. So friends, now I know how to solve a 2x2 using a 3x3 using the button. So let me do a time solve. Just go ahead and stumble it. Hope you can see me stumbling. Yes, you can. So I think scramble good enough. So let me go ahead and do it. Yes, come on, I did it. Well, it was just under subgroups, as you can see. So guys, that's all for this video. Bye bye. It was a very fun challenge. So you guys could try it as well, but it is quite hard. It may seem easy, but it is actually quite hard. So that's all for today. See you then in the next video. Bye bye. Signing off, Blazing Cubo.